Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? Well, it's because your stomach is getting its borborygmus on. That's right, those rumbling sounds are actually muscular contractions, and they're not just happening in your stomach, either. Sometimes the noises you're hearing are coming from lower down in your intestines. And it turns out that ghrelin, the hormone that tells us we're hungry, is also responsible for those annoying sounds. So next time your stomach starts growling, you can thank ghrelin for that. But don't worry, it's just your body's way of telling you it's time for a snack. Subscribe and never miss a video.